Microfoamed milk is milk where the milk foam is so dense that we have no visible bubbles. So you get this perfectly homogeneous experience throughout the entire liquid. So the science behind microfoam milk comes down to just a couple elements, primarily focused around the protein in the milk. Those proteins, primarily being casein and amino acids, are wrapped in these tight bundles. And what is happening when we're actually steaming the milk and making that microfoam is we're introducing hot steam and water vapor at such a fine rate that we actually unravel those bundles. And what happens when they unravel is that they want to regain some structure and they actually wrap around the air. And so that is what produces milk foam. Milk sugars and milk fat play off the espresso coffee's bitterness and strength to where we get this like really amazing, harmonious, balanced experience.